Hi friends, in this video we are going to discuss about some daily life conversation. So let's we start. क्या मतलब है आपका? What do you mean? What do you mean? आपका क्या मतलब है? या क्या मतलब है आपका? What do you mean? कहाँ रह गए थे आप? Where have you been? Where have you been? जाने दो. Let it be. Let it be. मुझे बिल्कुल नहीं पता. I have no idea. I have no idea. वो मेरा जिगरी दोस्त है. He is my first friend. He is my first friend. वो मुझसे सख्त नाराज़ है. नाराज़ को कहा जाता है furious. Furious. He is furious with me. He is furious with me. क्या कभी कराची जाना हुआ? Have you ever been to Karachi? Have you ever been to Karachi? बिल्कुल नहीं. Not at all. Not at all. ये तुम्हारा काम है. This is your job. This is your job. मुझे ऐसा नहीं लगता. I don't think so. I don't think so.